Welcome to Pennsylvania Bike Rides. Today's ride is in Berks County at Blue Marsh Lake, north of Reading. We're starting at the parking lot in front of the Visitor Center, just off Palisades Drive. Head back towards Palisades Drive and turn left to pick up the trail. This short section of single track again turns left at mile marker 29. The trail runs uphill on an old road and then runs downhill into the Dry Brooks boat ramp area. It crosses the road and then runs across this gravel berm. The trail becomes double-track dirt and runs uphill to cross the road to the Dry Brooks Days. Once across the road, it becomes a single-track dirt trail that winds uphill. This part is a challenge going up, but as you'll see later, it's a lot of fun going down. At the top of this hill, you're at the highest point of this ride. The trail runs downhill, then uphill past mile marker 28, and runs uphill to a parking area near a yellow gate. Ride past the yellow gate to get back on the trail. Ride the whole way around the lake, we would turn right and cross this bridge. But today, we're going straight. This loop trail takes us back towards the Visitor Center. The dirt single track turns onto an old macadam road where you can really get some speed. Then comes dirt single track that runs gradually uphill around these fields. A right turn here brings you back to the trail below the parking area with the yellow gate. Turn right again to head towards the Visitor Center. If you have time, ride past this wooden gate to see this magnificent oak. Return to the trail and climb uphill until you are again at the high point of this ride. From here, it's mostly all downhill to the visitor center, and it sure is fun. We turned right here so we could check out this barn. There's additional information, including directions, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe?